Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods for another video. Here to bring you the last SPL test for the 3 Group 31s and the last demo for them. They will be coming out of here Saturday. We will be doing that no matter how it's looking out here. It probably be, you know, below 15, negative 15. As y'all can see, it's 12 right now. Wow. And also, guys, I want you guys to know, you know, if you don't know and you're watching this video, the DIY gang on Facebook, it's a Facebook group. You know, we have a lot of experts on there. You can, you know, put your system on there. You can ask questions. I mean, whatever, you know, whatever you want to do. You want to request bump offs on there, that's cool too. I mean, the Facebook group is for you guys, you know, it's for you guys, and it's to keep you guys up to date, updated on what's possibly going on the channel. And also, my Instagram page has been hacked. You know, so any of you guys that have my Instagram page and somebody send you a message or anything, that is not me. I don't want nobody getting hacked. Nobody else. I mean, I know it's a couple of people that got hacked because, you know, some people reached out and said, you know, that they was me and they was not me. So if I hit you up on Instagram and it says Black Kia Elite, that is not me. You know, some idiot, excuse my language, well, we would just say it. Some idiot hacked my page, hacked a couple of my friends' page. I mean, my gosh, man. I don't understand people, man. And that was a pretty good Instagram page, by the way. But, you know, we're here to do some SPL testing. Now, as y'all can see it, it's saying 141.4. So we're gonna give it a test. Trying to see if we can get it up a little bit. Trying to see if I can give it some volume without turning it straight on, but I see what's gonna go on. So we're gonna start with 36 and see if we can get it to rise from where it's at. It's at 141.4. So let's see if we can get it to rise. That's at 10 volume, by the way. Let's see if we can go 36. All right, let's go. Let's see, we're gonna go 36. Let's see, 36. Let's do 36. All right, let's go. You know what? Let me let the window down, just crack it just a little bit. So let's do it again. And that was 36. So at 36 hertz, we got, let's see, get a closer look at it. 143. Uh-oh. Sorry, we dropped the camera. And I messed up the, it was 143.7 though, that's what it said. Now I gotta set it up. Hold on again, hold on. All right, we back. Let's do it one more time for the 36 hertz. And it went all the way up to 50 hertz. These bass tones be going pretty fast. So we're gonna try 36 hertz one more time. I was trying to get y'all to see it though. It's like real hard to see down there. Okay. So let's see, 35. We're gonna do 36. One more time with that. Oops. 37 hertz. Still went to the 14.41. Let's see if we can get it to do a little bit more than that. Let's see, we did 37. Let's try 38. We're gonna let 37 just pass. So here we go. Let's do it one more time. That was at 38 hertz. So we're gonna try 38 hertz one more time. Trying to let it relax a little bit too, between. So 144.7, that's pretty good, guys. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. Okay, we're on at 38. Here we go. Alright, that's it. We're gonna leave it at that. We was able to get 144.9, which is pretty good, man. 144.9 on 38 hertz. Alright, we're gonna do a little demo before we go. Hold on. All right, we back. All right, let's go ahead and let it go.
I took a little flick, smoke down on the back, this is too much. I cocked a little phone, whip a little ice on my wrist, and my neck think I grew up. That Uno got right, this music he set this shit straight, the nigga blew up. Forget about people, yeah they up, they on the cross. It's RP mama and RPG, yeah that shit really hurts to the core. Like how did we get to this point where we losing our levels and dumb shit about us? Like where this shit come from? This shit feels so cool and it feel like the tundra. I gotta keep working and hustling. I feel like the gold. So when I'm Gucci, I put it on top. Before he thought it was G. You know I had to put it on my pack with the code. Patient when I'm telling the pros. When I feel like the road, when I'm there, I love to go shopping. Give me a warehouse to keep all these options. I'm stacking my money, I love to see profit. I'm keeping it all decades ago. Money don't worry about shit. I'm going stupid, they copy and drip. Too much of them actually carry a grip. I want to be thinking. I know what it is, they see in the group. Me and people, but hate on the look. I should know. Cause I ride with the foot. Be a reason I'm living. We go see wherever I go, I go. No, I'm the Josh of this ball. I'm sure I can talk on my phone. This ain't I feel like the gold. So when I'm Gucci, I put it on top. Before he said 40, he thought it was jokes. He didn't know I had a bag. Staring honey in my pack with a coat. shit when you turn the pros. MVP, man, I feel like the bros. Remember them days when you just got those.
Wow. That was nice. Let me turn on some heat. But that was nice. I liked it how the way that sound again, you know. But I'm gonna say 145 dBs with the three group 31s. So 145, this, remember that scope, because we're gonna do another SBL test when we put the lithium in here to see how much powerful it get, how much less powerful it get. Yeah, I'm liking my number though. 144.9, that's still good. That's way more than where I started. When I started, you know, doing the SBL test, we was at 143. But now we ain't made our way up to like 145. So we getting there. We only got 5 more dBs to get to that 150 mark. I think we can do it. I honestly think we can do it what I have in the car already. I don't even think I have to add anything like a new box and a lithium battery. That should do the trick. It should get me at least, you know, 3 dBs more or whatever, you know. So we're gonna try to do it like that. Other than that, guys, you know, still got a lot to come up to. I will be building a box, you know, and I will be, you know, installing a system in another car too pretty soon. Once all this snow get up, then we probably can get to rolling with everything, you know. But the 3 batteries, I'm gonna eliminate them no matter how cold it is, how bad it is. This is why I got all these gloves and stuff, so we'll be all right, man. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.